everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग जीके एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स की क्लास करेंगे जो कि क्लास नंबर आपका 79 है। ऑलरेडी हमने 78 क्लासेस कर लिया है जिसमें आपका जो क्वेश्चंस हमने कवर अप किया है वो 1704 क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी हम कर चुके हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोज़ डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे। एंड सेकेंडली अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सके। नाउ मूविंग ऑन विद टुडेज सेशन दैट वी आर गोना डिस्कस इज योर 1705 क्वेश्चन। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन इज which is the first Indian state to have 4 international airports? कौन सा ऐसा पहला आपका इंडियन स्टेट है जो जिसके पास 4 इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट हैं? द 4 इंटरनेशनल पहला तो हमें स्टेट का नाम बताना है, दैट इज केरला। केरला एक ऐसा स्टेट है जहाँ पे सबसे पहले 4 आपके इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट थे जहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट जो होती थी वो आपकी टेक ऑफ होती थी। तो वो 4 जो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट हैं वो आपके कन्नौर में लोकेटेड है केरला में। सेकेंड आपका जो है वो कोझिकोड में आपका है। सेकेंड इज जो कोची में है एंड लास्ट इज जो त्रिवंतपुरम में। तो त्रिवंतपुरम, कोझिकोडे एंड कन्नौर ये आपका केरला में है और ये 4 आपके इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट थे जो कि पहले 4 इंडियन स्टेट के पहले एक स्टेट के 4 एयरपोर्ट्स थे। Now moving on with the next question, that is question 1706. Who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2018 in Hindi literature in novel category? नोवेल कैटेगरी में साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड 2018 में हिंदी लिटरेचर के किसको मिला? वह है चित्रा मुग्दल। Next question, that is question 1707. Who sworn is as Chief Minister of Mizoram? तो कौन है Chief Minister of Mizoram? That is Zoramthanga. Next question, that is question number 1708. Who is the author of the book Changing India? Changing India जो बुक है उनके ऑथर कौन है? उनके ऑथर हैं डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह। Next question, that is question number 1709 question that we have. To mark which historical event India Post released postage stamp on राजकुमार शुक्ला? सो राजकुमार शुक्ला पे कौन है जिनकी वजह से पोस्टेड हुआ था? दैट इज चंपारण सत्याग्रह जब हुआ तब राजकुमार शुक्ला के ऊपर पोस्टर स्टैम्प के थ्रू वो हिस्टोरिकल आपका इवेंट था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन वो एक एक्चुअली हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट को मार्क करने के लिए उनके ऊपर पे पोस्ट स्टैम्प डाला गया था राजकुमार शुक्ला का, वो आपका चंपारण सत्याग्रह के बाद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1710 दैट वी हैव. Which Indian state became the first one to have a law against sextortion? सेक्सटॉर्शन के अगेंस्ट कौन सा ऐसा पहला इंडियन स्टेट है जिसने लॉ निकाला था? दैट इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। Sextortion is a type of sexual exploitation that creates non-physical pressures for gaining the sexual pleasures. So these were the things that was that the law has been taken out by the Jammu and Kashmir first. Now next question, that is question 1711. Which country has banned the use of Indian currency note of rupees 2500 or 200 denomination in the country? तो ऑब्वियस बात है किस कंट्री ने बैन किया था 2000 के नोट्स, 500 के नोट्स एंड 200 के नोट्स जो कि इंडियन करेंसी थी? वो है नेपाल, हमारा नेबरिंग कंट्री नेपाल ने बैन किया था। मूविंग ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव योर क्वेश्चन 1712. 1712 question. Who sworn is as Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh? छत्तीसगढ़ का कौन स्वान चीफ मिनिस्टर था? दैट इज योर भूपेश बघेल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1713. Who sworn is as Chief Minister of Rajasthan? राजस्थान के चीफ मिनिस्टर अशोक गहलोत। सचिन पायलट स्वान इज एज डिप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर तो जो थे आपके सचिन पायलट थे और आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर राजस्थान के वो अशोक गहलोत थे राजस्थान के। Next question, that is question 1714. Which political party won the Rajasthan Assembly इलेक्शन 2018 में राजस्थान असेंबली इलेक्शन कौन सी पार्टी जीती थी? वो है इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1715, विच पार्टी क्लेम्ड मेजॉरिटी इन छत्तीसगढ़ असेंबली इलेक्शन 2018 में आपके छत्तीसगढ़ असेंबली इलेक्शन कौन क्लेम्ड किया था? दैट इज इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1716, which political party won the तेलंगाना असेंबली इलेक्शन 2018 में कौन जीता था? दैट इज तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति, दैट इज TRS। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1717 that we have. By how much percentage the central government raised its contribution in the National Pension Scheme NPS, that is 14%. Next question, that is question 1718, who is the first RBI governor? कौन से ऐसे पहले RBI गवर्नर थे 1990 से टू रिज़ाइन बिफोर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द टर्म? उन्होंने 1990 से थे और उन्होंने अपना कंप्लीशन होने से पहले ही आपने रिज़ाइन कर दिया था, दैट इज़ उर्जित पटेल। और शक्तिकांत दास जो है वो सक्सीडेड उर्जित पटेल एज 25th गवर्नर ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज RBI। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के जिन्होंने उर्जित पटेल के बाद उन्होंने शक्तिकांत दास ने सक्सीड किया था, वो शक्तिकांत दास जो है वो 25th गवर्नर है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के, दैट इज RBI। मूविंग ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1719 question, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, that is CBIC, included which currency in the list of exchange rate in the December 2018? So here the answer is Korean won. Next question, that is question 1720, who sworn is as Chief Minister of Telangana? Telangana के कौन sworn Chief Minister थे? That is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Next question, that is question 1721, name the Twitter handle launched by the Union government to spread awareness about the cyber crime. cyber crime के बारे में जिन्होंने ट्विटर हैंडल पे एक लॉन्च किया था आपका अवेयरनेस के लिए, तो वो कौन था? दैट इज @cyber दोस्त के तरफ ये इन्होंने अवेयरनेस ट्विटर हैंडल पे लॉन्च किया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज @cyber दोस्त। Next question, that is question 1727, name the 20-year-old Indian who has become the fastest Asian to cycle the globe. तो हमारे 20 years old 20 साल के कौन ऐसे इंडियन थे जिन्होंने फास्टेस्ट एशियन टू साइकिल टू अ ग्लोब? इज दैट नेम इज वेदांगी कुलकर्णी. She completed the 29,000 kilometer distance required to qualify as bicycling across the globe on 23rd December 2018. Okay, she is the person that 20 years old. It is Vedangi Kulkarni. Next question, that is question 1723 that we have. Name the nuclear capable long range intercontinental ballistic missile which successfully tested from the integrated test range, इसे हम ITR बोलते हैं, at Dr. Abdul Kalam Island of Odisha coast, that is Agni 4. Next question, that is question 1724, which Indian film was shortlisted for the 91st Oscar in the documentary short subject category? And the answer is period end of the sentence. Next question, that is question number 1725 that we have. 1725 question, in which state president's rule was imposed on December 20th, 2018 following the expiry of 6 months long governor's rule? That is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, that is question 1726, which geostationary communication satellite was successfully launched by the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, on December 19, 2018 on board geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle, that is GSLV F11, that is GSAT 7A. Next question, that is question 1727. Which state was ranked as the best performer in the state startup ranking 2018? That is Gujarat. Next, for the reason for the Gujarat is that the Department of Industrial Policy, अगर हम Department of Industrial Policy की बात करते हैं, okay, that Industrial Policy and Promotion, that is DIPP, announced result of the first ever state startup ranking 2018 at an event in New Delhi. DIPP began this exercise from January 2016. Next question that we have here, question number 1728. Who sworn as 18th Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? That is Kamal Nath. Next question, that is question 1729. Who sworn in as Chief Minister of Rajasthan? That is Ashok Gehlot. Next question, that is question 1730. Name the English novelist who has become the first English writer to be confirmed with 54th Jnanpith Award. That is Amitav Ghosh. Next question, that is question 1731 that we have is 1731 is, as per NITI Aayog strategy for News India @75, the union government aimed to accelerate growth to 8% and propel the country towards the AUSD 5 trillion economy by which year? That is 2030. Next question, that is question 1732. At which place in the Telangana and Tamil Nadu the Union Cabinet has approved setting by AIIMS, that is AIMS, under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, that is PMSSY, that is Bibinagar and Madurai. Next question, that is question 1733. Mining activities within 10-kilometer radius of which tiger reserve has been banned by the National Green Tribunal, that is Sariska Tiger Reserve. Next question, that is question number 1734. Which Indian cricketer surpassed Rahul Dravid's record of scoring most overseas runs in the calendar year? That is Virat Kohli. Next question, that is question number 1735 that we have. Name the Bollywood actress who has been named the PETA Person of the Year 2019. The PETA Person of the Year 2018 जो है 2018, that is Sonam Kapoor. Next question, that is question 1736. On which day the National Mathematics Day was observed across India? कौन सा दिन है जो कि नेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे आपका ऑब्जर्व किया गया इन इंडिया में? दैट इज 22nd December. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1737 that we have. At which place in Gujarat India's first railway university was dedicated to the nation of railway minister Shri Piyush Goyal, that is your Vadodara. Next question, that is question number 1738. Name the former Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the new coach of Indian women cricket team, that is W.V. Raman. Next question, that is question number 1739. Veteran politician Nirupam Sen passed away on December 24, 2018. He belonged to which political party? That is CPIM. Next question, that is question number 1740. The Indian Railway has decided to give how much concession in the passenger fare to transgender senior citizens? That is 40%. 40%, they had given concession to the transgender senior citizens. Next question, that is question 1741. Who was appointed as India's new chief boxing coach? तो कौन अपॉइंट किया गया था इंडिया का न्यू चीफ बॉक्सिंग कोच? दैट इज CA Kutrappa. Next question, the reason is that 39 years old is credited with shaping some of the country's most successful boxers such as Vijendra Singh, M. Suranjay Singh, Shiva Thapa, among the others. Next question, that is question number 1742 that we have. 1742 what is the theme of National Consumer Day 2018? 2018 के National Consumer Day की theme क्या थी? That is timely disposal of consumer complaints. So timely disposal of consumer complaint is the theme of National Consumer Day 2018. Moving on with the next question that we have, your question number 1743 that we have. 1743 question. Asia's second longest rail cum road bridge, that is Bogibal Bridge, inaugurated recently in which state of India? That is Assam. The bridge is constructed over the Sea of Brahmaputra. Next question, that is question 1744. Name the noted sitar player who has been chosen for the Tansen Samman Award by the Madhya Pradesh government for her outstanding contribution to music. That is Manju Mehta. Next question, that is question number 1745. Name the denomination in which the Union government has released commemorative points to the honor of former PM Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, that is rupees 100. Next question, that is question 1746. Which train has officially become the fastest train of India? That is train 18. Next question, that is question 1747. On which day National Consumer Day is observed across India? That is 24th December. On this day, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 had received the assets of the President. Next question, that is question number 1748 that we have. Which state will get its own high court from January 2019? 2019 जनवरी से किसको अपना स्टेट हाई कोर्ट मिल जाएगा? किस स्टेट को? दैट इज आंध्र प्रदेश. With the creation of this new high court, the country will have 25 high courts. इस creation जो ये नया आपको high court मिलेगा जो कि आपका आंध्र प्रदेश में होगा, तो उसको मिला के आपके total 25 high courts होंगे. Okay, तो क्लास आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once. Thank you.